Just when you like start getting the feeling of fighting the boss and you just like can't pull through.
Yeah, like I had him there, and then I just completely just forgot that he had a different charge move than the one that I can parry.
So the one cabin, I'm looking at the Tuscaloosa, Oklahoma one that I sent just now.
Tuskegee.
Do we want to go for it?
Oh, like the third one?
Yeah.
This does look pretty fucking tight.
It's on 80 acres of land by itself. We have all those beautiful views. They said that it's like there is little to no light pollution and you don't get sound like man-made sounds.
If there's little to no light pollution, that means you guys should be able to look up and see the Milky Way. Which would be fucking crazy. I still want to do that. That's like on my bucket list, to see the fucking Milky Way with no light pollution.
Mike's already agreed to, like, he's down. The only one that I'm missing is Caleb. I saw he was on earlier, but then he duked out. But since, you know, if it was just like, oh yeah, it's gonna be like $15 to camp there, it's like, whatever, I would eat that cost. But since we're looking at $91 on top of the other stuff and getting it, it's kind of like, alright, I would like a confirmation of the boys.
How much is this one right now? This is the 3-bed sleep safe.
Yeah, it'd be about $9 per person. Or $91 per person.
$91 per person.
Yeah.
That's a hefty chunk of change.
Yeah, ain't no small price, but I'm down.
Well, you're rich. Matthew, nothing with money counts with you anymore.
Yeah, that's true.
Sawyer, how you feel? What's up?
I'm down for it.
Someone want to text Caleb?
Oh yeah. I kind of thought that Caleb said he was out, but then I forgot. He agreed. I'll text Caleb.
I know who's before
Dude, you can even bring your boat and go fishing. Dude, we should just take Michael's John Deere or whatever it's called.
It's in the back of the house right now.
John Boop.
Don't even ask him, just take it.
Good luck getting it. It's in the backyard right over here, and that's kind of treacherous without a truck. Huh?
Dude, we just pick it up and use it to bash open the door. Like that.
3, really? You bastard. Four, really?
None of the bosses do. They like visually change when you see them taking damage.
Oh shit, maybe.
Maybe. I might have to parry.
Maybe?
That parry got me fucked up.
Maybe?
Nope. Not quite. Oh, parry.
Oh.
Oh! Ah! 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 Daddy, no, don't choke me. No. No, Dad.
Samus is just getting off right now.
You know,
That's her father.
even your Metroid DNA is no longer necessary. Do you want to know why?
Yeah, that's her actual dad.
Damn, just beat his arm. You no longer serve a purpose.
It's a little bit more complicated than that.
It is because I can now clone an army of the most powerful Metroid of all, Samus Aran. Oh. No. No one can stand it. No one can stand in my way, not even you. Fuck. Foolish daughter.
No, do you have Battlefront 2?
Leave the galaxy to me. Close your eyes and rest. Dude, Samus, lunge forward as hard as you can. No!
I've been getting back into it a little bit.
No!
Playing again.
Power is everything. It's gonna flicker back on and Samus is gonna do something. Oh! Oh, shit! Oh! Samus, you god! Samus is going Super Saiyan. Holy shit, Samus, what the fuck is that suit? Samus, what have you done? In phase 4.
And 5 and 6.
Yeah. And the
But
secret.
watch out for 8 and 9.
And if you're good enough, you might get the secret 10th.
Be careful because 6 is afraid of 7.
What is this suit? Yeah, this is a 4th phase. Damn. Maybe not. What is that suit? Holy fuck! It's like chitin.
Yeah, she's transformed into a Metroid.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, 4th phase. Here we go. Holy fuck, Samus.
I was hoping it'd be
Oh.
A beast cannon.
Oh, I just have the Omega Beam? Oh, I need to charge it. Ah!
Oh shit!
I mean, what else could I do?
Start the whole boss over.
Yeah, that's what's happening. Oh no. Okay. Okay, they're nice
Yeah,
enough
no, I
to
was
do
just
that.
trying to-
They're nice enough to let me not go and do it all again. I wasn't even gonna be that mad. I wanted to do that boss again. So this is just like the Omega Cannon or something. Dude, Samus is just not even human anymore. She's just kind of a fucking chimera, you know? Like, what the fuck is this? Is this suit even, like, is this suit a suit anymore? Can she take it off? To, like, you know? Jeez, holy shit, Samus.
Annihilates that fucking
Dude, that suit
X.
looks,
Jesus.
that suit looks fucking sick.